In a vast, well-lit warehouse, the process of producing Llama leather products begins. The soft hum of machines echoes as trucks arrive with freshly sourced hides, carefully transported to the reception area. The space is immaculate, exuding an atmosphere of precision and efficiency. Llamas, whose pelts have been collected from specialized farms, are gently unloaded and inspected. Each hide is placed on pallets with meticulous attention, clearly marked for the next steps in their journey. Next, the hides are moved by large automated conveyors, while workers, fully equipped with protective gear, conduct the initial inspection. The hides are immersed in chemical solutions designed to clean and preserve the leather. The constant sound of machines washing the leather is broken only by the gentle flow of water circulating in the large vats. Each hide is treated individually, slowly, but with the precise care needed to ensure it will eventually transform into a high-quality product. After the washing, the hides are sent to the drying area, where automated systems and temperature controls take over, ensuring the process is carried out meticulously. A gentle breeze circulates through the hides, removing excess moisture while maintaining the leather's flexibility. The drying machines work in unison, precisely controlling the temperature and humidity to ensure that each piece reaches the perfect consistency and quality required for the final product. The atmosphere is clean, organized, and perfectly managed, with each hide being closely monitored throughout the process. Once the hides are dry, they move to the smoothing machines, where their thickness is adjusted to ensure uniformity. The smoothing machines rotate, scraping and polishing the surface until it becomes smooth and ready for cutting. The scent of treated leather fills the air, and the sound of the machines working continuously fills the space, while workers carefully adjust the settings, making sure every hide is just right before moving on to the next stage. Now, with the hides perfectly prepared, it's time for cutting. On large cutting tables, the hides are carefully stretched and positioned. Laser cutting machines are activated, and with pinpoint accuracy, they cut the leather into predetermined shapes for making bags, jackets, and accessories. The sound of the blades cutting through the leather is smooth but unmistakable, as each piece is removed from its base and sent to the next step. The pace is quick, but the precision remains flawless. The cut pieces are then sent to the assembly station. Workers, skilled in their craft, begin to join the leather pieces using industrial sewing machines. The leather pieces, now shaped, are sewn together with high-resistance needles, creating the strong, durable seams that will form the final product. The atmosphere is calm and controlled, with workers moving synchronously, stitching and checking the quality of each item as it moves along the assembly line. After sewing, the products are sent for finishing. Here, leather bags, jackets, and other accessories begin to take their final shape. Finishing machines apply products like varnish, wax, and sealant, giving the leather a shiny, smooth finish. The shine on the leather surfaces becomes more evident under the factory lights, while the soft scent of finishing chemicals fills the air. With every piece, the sense of exclusivity is reinforced, and the beauty of each product begins to shine through. The pieces are then inspected with obsessive attention to detail. In a quality control room, each product is examined under the intense light of powerful lamps. Workers use magnifying glasses and measuring tools to check the stitching, finish, and texture of the leather. Focus is absolute. Each bag and jacket is thoroughly checked, ensuring that no flaw goes unnoticed. Once a piece passes the quality control, it moves to the next phase, packaging. Approved products are then carefully packaged in high-quality boxes. Each leather item, whether a bag or jacket, is placed inside a customized box, bearing the brand logo proudly. The packaging is done with utmost care to ensure the product reaches its destination in perfect condition. The luxury paper bags with refined finishes are the final touch. The packaged items are then placed onto trucks, ready to be shipped to stores or sent directly to eager customers. Now, with the goods packed and organized, the final distribution phase begins. The loading pace in the factory yard is brisk, as trucks depart to various destinations around the world, filled with the new leather collection. The logistics are organized, with vehicle movements monitored by automated systems, ensuring products reach their destinations quickly and without damage. At this point, the pieces of Llama leather, carefully transformed, begin arriving at stores. The products are displayed with elegance, strategically positioned in windows and on shelves. Customers enter the stores, touching and trying on the luxury accessories that have been crafted with such care. The bags, jackets, and other items come to life in the hands of customers who can finally appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship and quality of the products. The production cycle has come to an end, but the journey of the Llama leather continues as each piece is sold and begins to be used by those who value true excellence. Now, the focus shifts to the post-sale experience. Satisfied customers begin sharing their impressions of the Llama leather products. In the digital world, social media becomes an even larger showcase for the brand. Fashion influencers and enthusiastic customers post photos, videos, and comments about the products. Feedback starts coming in real time, and each post serves as proof of the quality and superior design of the collections. The brand, always attentive to what its customers have to say, monitors these interactions, ensuring that each comment is addressed with the care that consumers deserve. On the screens, the brand not only grows in numbers, but also in the trust of its buyers. The data from these digital interactions is then analyzed by the marketing team, who begin to craft new strategies to promote the brand further. The images of the collections, shared across social media, become not only a reflection of product quality, but also of the community that has formed around the brand. Photos showing Llama leather being worn by celebrities and regular customers become symbols of a luxurious, refined lifestyle, something the brand manages to convey in every detail of its production process. Through digital marketing, the brand is consistently promoted, with ads and campaigns directed at new audiences. On platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube, short videos and high-quality images showcase the collections in action, touching people's lives. The connection with customers becomes even stronger when post-sale customer service steps in. Consumers receive personalized messages offering new releases, exclusive discounts, and even invitations to special events. Every interaction is designed to strengthen the bond between the brand and its customers, making them feel part of something greater. As the brand continues to grow on social media, the process of analysis and feedback continues within the company. Design and production teams begin reviewing sales data, the most popular products, and customer comments. This constant flow of information generates valuable insights into what customers want and what can be improved. Adaptation to market demand is a constant, and the company quickly adjusts its strategies, ensuring that each new collection aligns with consumer expectations. As the brand begins to expand internationally, new markets are carefully analyzed. The production of Llama leather, which had already captivated local customers, begins to be distributed to new countries. The process of adapting to different cultures and tastes is meticulously planned. In the new international market, stores begin to display the pieces in elegant windows, and localized marketing campaigns are created to highlight the qualities of the brand and spark desire in foreign consumers. The global expansion is driven by product quality, customer care, and brand strength, now globally recognized as synonymous with luxury and style. With internationalization, the brand doesn't lose its essence. Customer service continues to be a cornerstone of the business, with new support teams formed to ensure that consumer expectations in different regions are met with the same high level of excellence. Stores around the world begin offering the same unique experience, with the sophistication that has always been a hallmark of the brand. Consumers purchasing in stores in Asia, Europe, or the Americas receive the same care and quality they would locally, reinforcing the idea that wherever they are, they're getting a truly special product. Back at the factory, production continues at full capacity. With global growth, manufacturing processes are refined and optimized to meet the growing demand, but without ever compromising quality. Each piece of Llama leather leaving the production line undergoes the same rigorous quality control, and every step of the process is monitored to ensure only the best products reach the market. New automation machines are incorporated to increase efficiency, but the attention to detail and skilled labor that makes each item unique remain unchanged. As sales continue to grow and brand recognition expands, the company begins to invest in sustainability initiatives. Recognizing the growing demand for responsible business practices, the brand starts adopting greener practices in its production process. From using recyclable materials in packaging to choosing suppliers that follow strict environmental standards, every step of the process is reviewed with the intention of minimizing environmental impact, all while maintaining the quality that the brand represents. These initiatives not only meet the growing demand for sustainable products, but also demonstrate the brand's commitment to the future, which attracts even more conscious consumers. Finally, the journey of the Llama leather does not end when it is sold. It continues to be used, appreciated and cared for by consumers who know the value of owning a genuine and high-quality product. Over time, the brand becomes synonymous with tradition and innovation, always looking for new ways to evolve and surprise its customers without ever losing the essence that made it unique in the market.